Hello, everyone. Welcome to this edition of Weather Relations. It's Monday. I hope you guys are having a good day. First up, many of you guys are going back to work if you're old or older, or like I guess not older, but you guys are like 18 plus, I guess, or if you have a job, you probably went back to work today, or you're going back to school maybe today if you're a kid, or Tuesday. I'm going back to school tomorrow, so. But yes. We're going to get started here. We have a potential severe weather outbreak happening this weekend, so make sure you guys stay tuned until the end. This could be a bad outbreak. This is something that I haven't seen in a few months. Actually, several months. I don't think. I think they haven't issued one of these maybe since June. So that's pretty significant. This is January, and we're having severe weather. So hopefully this doesn't end up like 2017 again in January. That was a bad year. I think it could, though, because last fall was pretty similar weather-wise for me to 2016. So, I mean, we're going to have to see. But, so we see day 5, look at this, 30% area already. This is for Friday. Day 5, 30% area in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma. This is very rare, actually, to get a 30% chance this far out in January. And even a 15% chance is pretty rare. We have that in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, Oklahoma right there. And let's read this here. So corrected to add label to day 8 graphic. Okay, discussion. A multi-day severe weather episode is expected across portions of the Arctics into the deep south vicinity on day 5 Friday, day 6 Saturday. The ingredients for severe thunderstorms will begin to fall in place day 4 Thursday as an upper ridge spreads eastward across the eastern U.S. and a large-scale trough intensifies across the western states. Now, the surface, a strong surface pressure gradient will develop from the Midwest to the western Gulf Coast, allowing rich Gulf moisture to begin streaming northward across East Texas and the lower Mississippi Valley vicinity on Thursday. So, confidence in severe potential beyond day 6 Saturday is low, so we could have some day 7 maybe someday too. Though guidance suggests stormy conditions could return to parts of the southeast on Monday night. So, this is going to be Pisca potential. If this keeps up, we're going to probably have 2 episodes of rapid forecast. We'll have one probably Thursday or Wednesday maybe, because Wednesday they literally could issue a enhanced risk if they do that, because the 30% chance is is an enhanced risk, but this is just put in 30% because this is day 5 and this is far out, and we don't really have enough confidence yet to issue like the forecast, but we'll have that at day 3. So we could have one Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday maybe for rapid forecast and weather relations for Wednesday and Friday. And so, or I may do a special edition of weather relations or rapid forecast, which is sort of a mix because we probably will have that. Pretty much all that means is a longer, more important video, a lot more important video if it's a rapid forecast. And yes, if you go to day 6 here, we have that giant 15% area going from Louisiana, all of Mississippi mostly, all of Alabama, western Georgia, Tennessee, down to the Florida Panhandle. So I am sort of involved in this. I think this is a slight risk. I think I'll be involved in a marginal risk Saturday. Maybe, hopefully it extends a little bit further to the east. That would be great. So I'll be in it, and then maybe day 7 though I'll probably be in a marginal again because I don't really. That'd be cool. But, yeah, so it's a pretty good severe weather outbreak potential. So make sure you guys stay tuned throughout tomorrow, where we have, I'll probably will film a YouTube video tomorrow since I enjoy doing it, actually. And I probably won't have homework. I have to do weather relations Wednesday. If I don't post one tomorrow, it's because I'm filming weather relations for Wednesday. If I don't, I have something I have to do. But, yeah, so pretty good severe outbreak. We're going to look in more in depth in this. So, right now we are looking at the sort of the convective precip here is what we're looking at. So, we're going to sort of skip ahead here to Thursday. We see a little bit of convective precip, not much though. Does this actually show? Yes, this will show. So, I think I'm going to switch it over here to this. See, that's so shows a little. Okay, there we go. That'll work better. So this is Friday afternoon now. We could start to see some development into Texas and Oklahoma. We started to see a little bit of convective precip. Down to the south, we could even have a few supercells. And let's skip ahead another hour. Look at that. Probably a squall line forming, maybe some supercells in front of it. This is Friday, late afternoon. I see a squall line like that. Moving fastly to the east, or not fastly, but fast to the east, and even intensifies more right to the right by northwestern Arkansas, down. It's past Tulsa now, and it's down. It's intensifying in Arkansas. It's in Oklahoma, Texas, even in Missouri, southern Missouri. We see that. Look at that. Right on Mississippi, right there. This is Saturday morning. Purple colors in northern Mississippi. This is going to be a pretty damaging. Could be a damaging event. This is going to be probably a severe weather outbreak if this does, I guess, keep up. If it's a 30% tomorrow, it'll probably be correct. Then we'll see Wednesday, the actual day 3 outlook. Or I guess the day 3 outlook, which is pretty much shows like the marginal slight and stuff. Although 15% is slight, 30 is enhanced. You see, we go till today. So this is tomorrow. We have a little bit of thunderstorms on the Washington coastal Washington, Oregon, and California, but nothing severe for tomorrow. But I'm looking at this here. Let's go back down to convective products. We're gonna look at Cape here. Now this is still pretty far out, so we're not gonna look at it too much, considering the models or the GFS model doesn't really have all that much convective stuff here. So yeah, but when we get day 3, when day 3 outlet comes on Wednesday, we'll look at the NAM 3KM model, which is gonna have some severe weather parameters, or a lot more. So we could see some Cape values all the way up to about 500, stretching. I'll draw like a little diagram here for you guys. 500 is stretching like that. That's 500 joules per kilogram press. That's sort of the base amount you need for any severe weather is 500 joules per kilogram. We see that. We even see some 1,200 values down towards southern Texas, and even about pretty decent numbers up towards in Oklahoma. And then we see. So we will have enough Cape with this event. Cape will be the limiting factor, though. It's winter, and we don't have much Cape because it's not that warm, and the ingredients aren't there, really, to get the Cape. Sometimes it's just cloudy because in the winter, the atmosphere is different than it is in the summer and the spring, especially, because in the spring, like, you'll have, like, a line. This happens in the winter, too. You have, like, a line of thunderstorms here, and you'll have a lot of Cape because it's sunny out here, and you will see the clouds coming from the line, but it's pretty sunny. That probably will be happening with this event, and because but it's winter and that doesn't really happen normally. Because when you get severe weather in the winter, it's cooler, the atmosphere is more stable, and so you pretty much have a little bit more cloud cover. When before severe weather comes, you have less Cape, and there's lower dew points. But yeah, let's take a look at the supercell composite because I feel like that could be pretty strong. This is Thursday. We start to see it pop up Friday afternoon here. All right, numbers are going to be pretty decent. 1, 2, 3, maybe. Especially when that thing gets down into Mississippi, Louisiana area, where we have 4 and 5s. That's pretty good for supercells. Now we're going to move over to the tropical tidbits and talk about the sort of look at the whole situation here with the GFS model. This is Thursday night. Or Thursday afternoon, we see a low pressure in Minnesota with some snow showers in Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, and some showers down through pretty much some areas in the Mississippi River to the west, down through Texas. We see some showers, and we start to see the southerly winds come up. We start to see more moisture, and we do have a low pressure in Mexico right there, which is going to be helping this. Now this is Friday afternoon. We see this low pressure here. We have a low pressure up in Canada. But we see this getting strong. We have a strong high pressure here, offering some cold air. We do see some snow across areas of Nebraska and northern Kansas, but we start to see the potential for some severe weather in this area, mostly down here, because we start to see that rain popping up. But the GFS model doesn't really do a good job at doing severe weather because it doesn't really show convectiveness. It sort of just shows it not really just like a paintbrush. It's not really it doesn't look like, for example, it doesn't look like when we get the NAM 3KM model. That'd be good Wednesday. That'll be in view for Friday, and Thursday will be in view for Saturday. We can see like the actual pretty good convective. We can actually like see it. We can see individual thunderstorms with the NAM. The GFS doesn't point that out. So yep, let's get this working here. All right, let's continue again. Now, yeah, that's Friday evening. This is Friday evening here. Could see an outburst of freezing rain across through Kansas City, up through portions of Kansas, Missouri, and Illinois, and some snow to the north of that. But here is our line of thunderstorms down into Texas, up to Arkansas, and in Oklahoma. That's going to be our severe line right there. We see we have a low pressure forming. This is Saturday. Yeah, we see it. Look at that band of heavy freezing rain, maybe some heavy sleet, and maybe some snow in there. But look at that. That will be a severe line down through Mississippi, Alabama, and maybe even into Georgia, and then maybe further on east. We'll have to see. But this could also bring a ton of heavy snow to the northeast. Look at that. Freezing rain could be starting for portions of like New York Saturday afternoon. It could still be snowing Sunday afternoon too. That's not really too bad, but in Maine it'll last from Saturday afternoon to same thing. I guess I don't really have a point right there, but it's gonna be some pretty heavy snow in Maine right here. And pretty much the whole northeast is some freezing rain events. So I think it's pretty obvious Friday afternoon, as soon as I get home from school and doing a live stream. Well, that'd actually be impossible because I'm going somewhere again. But and when I get back, which will probably be around 7, I'll be free pretty much for the rest of the night because I'm already going to be gone, or I'm already having dinner and stuff out. But on Saturday, I'm going to do a live stream probably from the morning hours all the way into the afternoon. Friday night, though, I might stay up to like midnight. And I'll wake up Saturday, and I might leave the live stream on all night. I may test that out, with my computer. I may just do, a private live stream tonight. Just leave it on all night and see if it'll work, actually. Without the mic on, so you guys can, watch my live stream, not hear anything. You guys will just, see, the radar, the SPC outlook, the comments, which I'll review in the morning. It's not like I'm going to get a million people in the chat talking, because, nobody ever really joins the live streams, but I just do them because some of you guys do, and those of you guys that do that, thank you. And thank you for watching my videos too. If you guys don't watch the live streams, but let's take a sounding area in the freezing rain and see what's going on. So pretty much what we see when we have freezing rain is because the atmosphere is above freezing right here, right here. Temperature is above freezing, of course, and so it melts in the rain, but then at the ground it's below freezing, so it freezes when it comes in contact. So that's why we see that. You see, look at that. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty bad storm. And we could see another one towards the 15th, bringing probably a name. We could have 2 named storms in about a week. So that'll be pretty interesting to cover here. But yep, that is going to wrap up this edition of Weather Relations. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe, leave a like, turn on notifications, and comment. I'll be posting tomorrow. Peace out.